guys, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads. I'm here with my last December 2018 bead and jewelry making subscription. This one's called BeadCrate, and if you haven't seen this subscription before, feel free to check back in my previous videos. I do have a playlist just for BeadCrate where you can see almost a year's worth of boxes so you can get an idea of what kinds of things they send. I'm not affiliated with BeadCrate, I just love the subscription. I like to share these unboxings with you and hopefully help you get an idea if this is the type of subscription that is right for you, or maybe you just have fun watching unboxings. So I actually subscribe to the collector box. They have two different sizes, the collector and the enthusiast. The collector is as low as $31 per month depending on how long you subscribe for, and the enthusiast, which is about half the amount of beads as you'll see here today, is as low as $18 a month depending on how long you sign up for. So I have no idea what's in the box, and I'm so excited to find out. So as usual, we get a letter, and they always have a theme every month, and everything comes in this really nice organza bag. And look, you guys, they sent chocolates. Aww. That's such a nice touch. See, it's truly the little things that mean so much. That is so cute. And a little snowflake. They always have a cute little stamp on the box. Alright, so let's see here. Let's take a look at our note. And it says, the holiday season is usually signaled by copious amounts of reds and greens, but why not look to another holiday tradition? Sugar plums, be it a fairy from the Nutcracker or visions dancing in the heads of sleeping youngsters in 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, sugar plum is an often forgotten holiday favorite. So I'm really excited that it's going to be something beyond the reds and greens. I love that when it gets a little bit more out of the box. So on the back, as usual, we have a wonderful grid set up here where they have everything nicely organized. You know exactly what you're going to get in your box. That way, if you wanted to order more product online, you can always seek that out and you know what it is you got. And everything is in separate bags, nicely labeled. It's easy to figure it out. So, got a cute little lavender bag here, which I love these bags because I always reuse them. Oh my goodness, you guys know, you already know I am going to love this because I love that color. Alright guys, so let's go down the list as we usually do and check everything out one by one. Selection A is a Toho 80 light lavender transparent gold luster, and these are Japanese glass. So once again, they send a lot of check glass beads, but the seed beads they send are typically Japanese glass, like Toho brand, which is an excellent brand. Everything they send is very high quality, and this is no different. So look at these beautiful lavender beads. Those are so pretty. I absolutely love this color. So you would probably want to, you know, kind of have a thing for lavender for this box, because there is a lot of lavender, and I absolutely do. So these are gorgeous. So they're 8.0s. They're a little bit bigger than your standard kind of 11.0 size, but they're all very uniform and pretty. So that's our first selection. Selection B is a 14mm transparent bodacious cushion check rounds, 5 beads. Oh my word, these are beautiful. These are so cool. Check these out. Not only are they this really cool color, but it's like the purple comes from this coating that's speckled on the outside. And a really fun shape. So pretty. Alright, selection C is 3mm Firepower saturated metallic, almost mauve check glass. There's 100 beads and there's 2 strands. Oh, very pretty. I love metallics. I love the name Almost Mauve because it is very silver, but you can barely like see kind of the hints. Like if you were to put it up against just your basic silver check glass fire polish, you'd probably see the difference. Those will be easy to use and a nice addition to this box for sure. Alright, selection D is 24 by 20 Alexandrite table cut diamonds. Those sound beautiful. There's 4 beads, and they are, oh my goodness, I'm dying over these beads. They're so pretty. Look at these. Just take these in for a second. Oh my goodness. I love these so much. The shape of them, I mean, they're like a diamond, but the table cut is kind of set on there asymmetrically. And as usual with the table cut, you have that nice, very flat top and bottom. And then the sides are the matte or frosted kind of feel. Those are beautiful. Love them. So then our next selection is E, and it is 8 by 3 crystal AB dime beads. There's 25 beads. Okay, so that's these, which are lovely. Gotta love that AB finish. And you can see the light picks up a lot of pinks and purples on the AB, so it goes so well with these other beads. So they're beautiful as well, just the flat circles, which is the dime bead shape. Just lovely, moving those around so you can see all the beautiful colors. Okay, selection F is 9 by 14 Quest Antique Silver Angel Wing, and there's 1 charm. And I thought for a second that they may have left it out of the box because it wasn't in my pack, but it somehow slipped over with some of my other bags, so crisis averted. Alright, here we go. Not that I don't think it would have been easily made up. Their customer service is excellent, so I'm sure if I ever had a problem I would get a response very quickly, as would you. So isn't that cute? That's very pretty. And I like that it has a front and a back. Very, very sweet. Okay. Selection G is a lavender garden leaf mix, 12 by 7. There's 50 beads. Oh man, I love these so much. I absolutely love this bead shape. And leaves, of course, but I've purchased some leaves recently. You've seen my previous bead hauls. I've done a lot of hauls since kind of the Black Friday weekend. Excuse me. And I've already purchased some in this exact shape because I love this shape of bead. I think they work really well as drops on the ends of necklaces and also dangling off of earrings. And I love the fact that this is a color mix, and I've said it before that sometimes BeadCrate will send strands of color mixes, and so what I do a lot of times is I'll separate the colors out, and I may use them for different projects, maybe not all together in the same project. And these are beautiful, just beautiful. Selection H, 4mm fire polish medium amethyst luster. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So as you can see, BeadCrate sends a lot of beautiful check glass beads. So if you like to work with check glass beads, then definitely, you might want to consider this subscription. And they also send beads in a coordinating theme each month, like I was saying, and I was showing you here. So if you like that, then you'll like BeadCrate as well, I think. Very light purple. Pretty. Selection I, 9 by 6 milky amethyst teardrops, 25 beads. Oh man, these are so cool. I love that like milky color of the purple. Almost has that opal look to it. These are so cute. And I need to work with this shape more. I work a lot with the flat teardrops with the top or side drilled holes, but not as much with the teardrops that are drilled vertically. And I know how to use them. It's not that. It's just for some reason I'm not as drawn to using this shape, so I'd like to use them some more. Very nice. Alright, selection J is 3mm Tanzanite rondelles, 100 beads. So these are teeny tiny, but they're very pretty. Very, very pretty. Look at these. Just extremely uniform. That really pretty amethyst purple color and the typical rondelle shape. I just love looking at my bead mat right now. Like, these colors make me so happy. Okay, selection K is S-Lawn nylon bead cord in lavender, and there's 82 yards. So that is this right here. Isn't that nice? So sometimes they'll send cord or chain or some other type of bead stringing material, wire, that kind of thing, which is always a nice surprise. So they sent this beautiful coordinating cord. That's a really pretty color. Definitely would coordinate very well with these beads. Okay. Then we are looking for L, which is a 5x6mm crystal AB cubes, 100 beads, and there's 2 strands. Beautiful. More AB. Love that AB. And I love the shape. I love the cubes. So shiny. So flashy with that AB finish. And again, just very smooth and uniform. Good quality. So again, I'm doing the collector's box, which has about twice as many beads in it as the enthusiast box. So where you see there's certain strands where I'm getting 2, for example, in the enthusiast box you might just get 1, or instead of 4 of these you might just get 2. So that's where the difference is, just to keep in mind, depending on how many beads you're interested in getting each month. Okay, then selection M is a 10x14 purple crazy agate ovals, and there's 2 of those. Oh my goodness. I love these. These are so fun. These are automatic earrings, right? So these are agate. You can see that they are stone, and you can see the different colors in there. That's just how stone is. It's gonna vary in color a little bit, but I love how vibrant these are. Holes running from top to bottom, flat ovals. I'll be able to make something with these right away. Beautiful. Selection N is a Tiara cast antique silver fairy wings, USA pewter, and there's 2 charms. Oh, these are sweet. Really, really sweet. So there's a hole going up and down like that, and they're so dainty. I love that they're so small and dainty and understated. They're not huge. They're just really sweet. Very cute. It's on both sides. And selection O is 4mm fire polish duet, black, white, purple Vega. Which is this, which is absolutely beautiful. Wow, I love these duet type fire polish beads where they're half and half. Those are gorgeous. Gorgeous. So it almost to me looks like a purple and copper mix, the way the finish is on there. I love it. Alright, selection P, 8mm fire polish luster stone pink check glass, so some 8mm fire polish. And these are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. If I can get them situated. Here you go. Aren't those stunning? Just take those in for a second. You can see that luster finish and also the fact that it has stone in its name. It definitely looks like stone. The way they've done that finish on it, absolutely gorgeous. Love the size, they're a little bit chunkier. Beautiful. Definitely one of my favorite strands. And then our final item, last but not least, selection Q, 8x6mm matte alexandrite AB teardrops, check glass, and these are gorgeous as well. And I love how the holes are drilled at the top too, because I was just saying I work with those a lot. Color is beautiful. I love the AB. They almost look like they're glowing. These are so beautiful. They just look so dreamy, don't they? Get a nice close-up on that. Don't you just love these? So once again, I loved the box that BeadCrate sent me. I love the sugar plum theme. Everything is so dreamy and whimsical and fanciful and just beautiful and dainty and sweet. And I absolutely love this color anyway, which that always helps. But they definitely send some really great high quality pieces. They inspire me a lot with what they send. I never have any problems using what they send. They always send a great mix of things just like this. So if you found yourself drawn to the items that they sent in this box, I think you definitely like their subscription. Again, check back at my playlist and you can see past boxes, see if it's right for you. And as usual, I'm not here to sell you the box. I am just sharing a box that I personally love and enjoy very much. They really do inspire me, and I'm always excited to get BeadCrate in the mail. So please feel free to leave me a comment or question below. Let me know what your favorite item or items are here today, as usual, and maybe what you would do with these items. I can't wait to be back again soon with lots more tutorials. I have lots of things and ideas in the works, and more finished jewelry updates where I show you what I've done with the beads that I get in these subscription boxes. So much fun. So as always, I appreciate you guys so much for being here. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon on my next video. Bye guys! If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!